for a better readability, Wrapstyler provides you with several methods to position the pattern's names on the 2D view sheets. By default, the software tries to automatically place the name in the best possible way, but sometimes it is necessary to change the choice. By selecting another option in the drop-down menu located in the bottom of the 2D view, you can position the names in a strictly horizontal or a strictly vertical way, risking that the name goes beyond the outline. Indicate a preference, thanks to the options horizontal if possible, or vertical if possible. If the name cannot fit the chosen orientation, Wrapstyler will choose an alternative. Or position the names manually. For this last method, select Manual in the drop-down menu, then click on the desired pattern or clone. You will then be able to move or rotate it thanks to the green handles.